How to improve your conversation with ChatGPT. Transform your conversations with ChatGPT, the AI-based platform that helps you build better relationships and engage with your customers like never before. Do you want to increase engagement with your customers and build better relationships? Are you looking for an AI-based platform to help simplify and enhance your conversations? We want to show you how ChatGPT can help you create more effective and successful conversations. Join us as we guide you through why simple language and context are key to navigating the powerful platform, how to use third-party applications to make the most of ChatGPT, and the troubleshooting strategies for when things don't go as planned. Get ready to take your conversations to the next level with ChatGPT. Subscribe to AI Topia and keep watching to learn more about how ChatGPT helps you create better conversations and build stronger relationships with your customers. ChatGPT is a powerful conversational AI platform that helps businesses and individuals connect more effectively with their users. It can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service, education, healthcare, and more. With its natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT eliminates the need for lengthy scripting or pre-programmed responses when dealing with queries. It can provide tailored answers specific to each scenario, leading to better engagement and user experience. ChatGPT is used across many industries, from e-commerce sites to government agencies worldwide. But how do we make sure our questions are crafted in a way that they get answered correctly? That's where understanding technologies like chatbots is essential if you want them to work best. So, what are some ways that you can ask smarter questions when using a technology like ChatGPT? Before you start talking to ChatGPT, it's important to think about what you want to get out of the conversation. That way you can ask questions that are tailored to your needs instead of just asking general or vague questions that don't get any useful answers. For example, if you want customer feedback or make sales leads, you can create a conversation tailored to those goals. By doing this, businesses can use technologies like ChatGPT to build relationships with their target audience and increase the chance of success. So how do we make sure our conversations align more closely with our business mission? Once you've set your goals, it's important to make sure that ChatGPT understands your questions. To do this, use simple language with short sentences and plain words. Avoid jargon and technical terms as much as possible. Keeping things simple helps you get meaningful answers. You can create a log of frequently asked questions with short descriptive prompts. This helps quickly answer inquiries, saving time for both users and internal staff. Asking smarter questions isn't just about having all the information beforehand. It's also about understanding how to communicate with those ideas in conversational AI like ChatGPT so that you get accurate responses every time. So what other steps should businesses take when using technology like chatbots? What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. When talking to ChatGPT, businesses should use simple language and provide context. This means giving details and background information about the question or request. This helps ChatGPT understand what you're looking for so you get a more relevant response tailored to your needs quickly. By using simpler words and providing specifics, companies can make sure they and the customers get accurate answers from ChatGPT every time. Chatbots have become important for success in many areas such as retail sales, customer service automation, and delivery services. But how do we know if a conversational AI platform is really effective? Companies should be patient when communicating with ChatGPT. It's important to understand its limitations and adjust your expectations accordingly. For example, if you ask complex questions with many components or give vague requests without providing details or context, it may take longer to get useful responses that meet your needs. Being specific within conversations can help keep things on track, providing detailed information that allows for faster response times. It's also important to remember that not every conversational AI platform can entirely replicate human-to-human interaction just yet. So how do businesses ensure that they are using a conversational AI effectively, even if it has limits? Chatbot technology like ChatGPT can be incredibly useful, but it's important to understand how it works and what to do if problems arise. Companies should create a troubleshooting strategy that includes a feedback loop to ensure continual improvement. For example, testing questions can provide valuable data on common misunderstandings or errors with ChatGPT, information that can help create better bots in the future. How can you improve the prompts you give with ChatGPT? When creating chatbots for ChatGPT, it's important to consider the keywords and topics that the chatbot will reference. Using keywords that accurately represent the main idea or topic of the prompt, and providing enough context to help ChatGPT understand the question or request. It's also important to be clear and concise in the phrasing of the prompt, avoiding ambiguity or confusion. Using natural language and simple sentence structures helps improve the accuracy of ChatGPT's responses. Additionally, including multiple variations of the same prompt using synonyms and related keywords helps improve the chatbot's ability to understand different phrasings of the same question or request. Finally, it's important to provide relevant information and details to help ChatGPT provide more accurate and helpful responses. By considering these tips when crafting prompts, users can ensure that ChatGPT can be the most effective and efficient assistance possible. How can you make sure that you're using ChatGPT to its full potential? To leverage the full capabilities of ChatGPT, it's important to understand all the features that the bot has to offer. This includes using natural language processing, which allows ChatGPT to understand and respond to conversational language, as well as leveraging third-party integrations to extend its functionality. Additionally, users can take advantage of features like multi-turn conversations, allowing for more complex interactions and follow-up questions. ChatGPT also offers sentiment analysis, which can help gauge the emotional tone of a conversation and provide more personalized responses. By leveraging these features, users can benefit from a more efficient and effective conversation with ChatGPT. It's important to continue learning and exploring the full capabilities of the bot as it continues to improve and expand its functionality. When working properly, custom-crafted conversations allow businesses to achieve their goals faster and more efficiently than ever before through intelligent dialogue exchange between humans and machines. But this raises the question, how concerned should we be about privacy issues when using conversation AI devices? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Becoming an advanced user of ChatGPT is essential for businesses and individuals. To get the most out of it, it's important to take the time to research chatbot technology. That way, you can ask smarter questions to get more accurate responses. There are plenty of online resources available to help you learn more about Q&A best practices, common mistakes to avoid when conversing with AI devices, and ways to improve AI-human interactions through customer feedback sessions. All of these skills and knowledge are key to optimizing your conversations with ChatGPT. So what strategy should we use to stay at the top of our game? ChatGPT can do even more with the help of tools or third-party applications. These integrations let you tap into valuable data insights around conversation so you can better understand your customer needs and preferences. This information can help you build better products and services by personalizing the user experience. With third-party integrations, you get access to analytics that measure conversion rates and help you learn what resonates best with customers. This will help them keep engaged throughout their journey on the platform. AI can also help you understand user behavior and enhance product features so that you provide an optimal satisfaction rate every time. How else can AI help you reach your goals? Integrating with third-party tools is a great way to get the most out of ChatGPT and create custom chatbots. By integrating third-party tools, you can add features like appointment booking or customer relationship management to your conversational AI setup. For example, you can use CRM tools to manage user data during conversations with customers, which gives you the flexibility to personalize communications and gain insight on engagement analytics. By taking advantage of these integrations, businesses can automate processes while still providing great customer service experiences. But what challenges may arise when integrating external services into your conversation platform? ChatGPT is a powerful conversation AI platform that helps businesses and individuals connect more effectively with their users. With natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT eliminates the need for lengthy scripting or pre-programmed resources when dealing with queries. To get the most out of it, you need to think about what you want to get out of the conversation, use simple language with short sentences and plain words, and create a log of frequently asked questions with short descriptive prompts. Additionally, businesses should provide context and use third-party integrations to add features like appointment booking or customer relationship management to their conversational AI setup. By taking these steps, businesses ensure that they get accurate answers from ChatGPT every time and create custom chatbots that provide a great customer service experience. Do you want to know what the limitations of ChatGPT are and how to best work around them? Find out in our next video, what are the limitations of ChatGPT? Find out this valuable information and take action now.